Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Guys, see here I am going to explain one most important interview question, that is what all those type of bin scope we have. Guys, see first scope we have singleton. So guys, in Spring Framework, singleton bin scope is default scope guy. Is that default scope of bin? So in the IOC container guy, correct? Yes. Then guys, see only one instance of the bin is created per container guy. That means the singleton instance is shared across the entire application. Then guys, is second, what is the prototype scope? So guys, in Spring Framework, prototype bin scope is used to when we want a new instance of bin every time when we request a guy. That means guy, the container creates a new object guy each time when the bin is requested. So guys, we can say so it is not shared like singleton guy, correct? Because in singleton the instance is shared across the entire application, but in prototype it is not shared guy, correct? Then guys, see next is request scope guy. So guys, in Spring Framework guy, so request scope what bin scope is used to web application guy. Generally we are going to use this scope in our web application where a new bin instance is created for each HTTP request guy. So where a new bin instance is created for each what HTTP request guy. So means one instance is created per HTTP request. That time you can use what request scope guy. So the bin exists only for the duration of that request guy. Correct? Then guys, see last but not least, that is session scope guy. So what it means guy, when we can use. So guys, in Spring Framework, session scope is used in web application guy. So to create a bin that lives for entire session of a user. What guy? So it creates guy that what lives for the entire HTTP session of a user guy. Means one instance is created per user session guy. So one instance is created per user session. The same bin instance is requested across multiple requests from the same user guy. So also guy, we can say what it exists until the session is expired or it is not, it is invalidated. Once it invalidated, then guy we cannot use this scope guy. That means it exists until the session is expired or it is invalidated guy. So guys, that's most all important for scope we have in our Spring game. So most of the time interview asks this question guys. So please be prepared before attending any interview. Thank you guys. Bye bye. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.